If you want to move data from or to your USB device on a Motorola Moto G56, the first thing that you have to do is open the Files app by Google. You can find it, for example, in the Google folder in the app drawer. After that, you will have to go to the storage, for example, internal storage or your USB device storage. You cannot really use categories most likely, because the option to transfer to the flash drive will be most likely missing, but just in case, I'm gonna check that. Yeah, as you can see, we only have the internal storage and SD card. I don't have the USB device. So we have to go to the internal storage. Let's say I'm gonna transfer the data from the internal storage to the USB flash drive. So in internal storage, I need to find whatever I wish to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna transfer some photos. And if I want to transfer a single file, I can just tap on these three dots right next to the file and choose Move To, and then we can choose the USB device. You can also press and hold your finger in order to select the first file, and then you can select multiple items at once. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and you should also be able to find Move To option. So since I'm transferring to the flash drive, I want to choose the flash drive over here, and then I need to choose where I want to move these files. So I'm gonna choose this folder over here, press Move here, and then it is done. Now, if I go to the USB flash drive storage, I should be able to find my files that I just moved here. And of course, if you want to move data from the USB flash drive to the, let's say, internal storage, then of course it is pretty similar. The only difference is that you start by going to the USB flash drive, of course, and then you do the same thing. You can just press and hold and tap on these three dots here and choose Move To. This time we're gonna go to internal storage, of course. Select where you want to save it, and that's all. So pretty much the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.